Let's see how to build a system to verify your customer's email and phone number. So this ensures that the businesses connect with real users while minimizing the spam and fake accounts as well. So here the idea is to send them a unique code to their email or phone number and ask them to enter during the chat as well. So this ensures they're actually providing the real details over there. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected. So by clicking on channels icon, you can simply connect any channel you like. So here for the SMS, you can actually connect a to your phone number, and for the email, you can actually connect any email you like. So here we have connected test@chattingmedia.com. So let's see how to build a flow right here to verify a particular customer's email over here. So let me click on add over here and let me name this flow as OTP email verification and click continue. So here, first of all, we need to actually collect a particular customer's email over here. For that, add content, use get user data over here and say, thanks for your interest. Please enter your email address below. Alright. So here, if I click on edit, you have to make sure to choose reply type email. If you want to collect a particular customer's phone number, choose phone number. And here, we can actually remove this skip as well. So that means they have to actually enter this email to go to the next step as well. So here, once they entered their email address, so that means data is saved, we can actually add an action over here, which is related to email opt-in. So choose actions, email, set the opt-in. So this ensures that you have the permission to send an email to the customer, and after that you can actually create a unique code and send that particular unique code to the customer. So here within this particular block, let me add one more action to generate the unique code. So here, tools, use generate random text or number, and here you have the option to choose the type. So let me choose numeric minimum or maximum number. So let me choose 1000 and the maximum will be 9000. And here you can actually create a custom field to save that particular generated random number. So you can easily create any custom fields by going to flows, choose custom fields over here. So here you can easily create any sort of custom fields. So let me use already existing field, which is pin code. So here we have this pin code already exist or created on this particular account. So let me simply use that particular custom field over here and click save. Now we have to send them an email. So choose send email option over here, and by default you will see the connected email account right here and two emails, whatever the email the customer particular entered. So we can simply send them subject saying verify your email verification code, and here you can actually add the content as well. So in the content you have to simply add them that particular pin code. So let me say your email verification code is custom field, which is pin code. Alright, so the customer will receive this particular message over here with this particular pin code right there. So now we want to send the customer a particular message asking them to enter the pin code which we sent in the email. So here again use get user data. So in this case we want to actually collect a text or number, and here you can actually use their input. So here let me say user input, just the field, and here remove the skip button as well, and let me say, so here let me add this text, please enter the verification code sent to your email. So here when they reply with the verification code, we can actually add a condition right here to check if the pin code is user input. So here we have to use that particular specific variable user input. So if the pin code is user input, that means the customer has actually provided the correct verification code, and we can send them a message saying your email has been verified. So here let me say, thanks, your email has been verified. And here you can add any sort of tick as well, and here if it is not, we can send them a message saying sorry, wrong pin code, would you like to try again? So here you can add any sort of options, try again, or we can also say resend the code, or we can also say change email. So we can provide all these options for the customer. So if they want to change the email, we can take them to this particular step, or you can actually create a new message block as well. So if they want to resend the code, you can actually use this, send them back to this particular block. If they want to try again, you can simply send them to this particular code right here. Right, we have created this particular simple flow right here. So let's test how this actually works. So let me publish this one. All right, so let's test this on the Instagram over here. So and also test through the Instagram comments automation. So let me go to the marketing tools Instagram and create a new tool saying OTP email verification. Click continue. So here we can track on all posts and private reply. This is the important thing. We have to choose this particular flow we just created, and the public comment reply we can say send your DM, and we can actually add multiple variations as you like as well. And here reply to comments, we can actually add a keyword saying email. So only if they say email in the comments, we will actually going to trigger this particular flow over here. And you have other options as well. For now, let me click save and make sure to activate this one before you test as well. Alright, so here I'm in Instagram. So let me open a random post over here and add the comment as email. So that's the keyword we set up for the comments automation. So when we comment as email over here, it should actually trigger a DM and ask them to provide the email over here based on the flow setup. So here we receive the message, thanks for your interest, please enter the email address over here. So let me say an email address. So let me add this particular email address over here, chatikmedia at gmail.com. So now let's see what happens over here. So it says please enter the verification code sent to your email. So let me open the email over here and see if we actually received an email. So here I am in the email tab, and as you can see here, we received the exact email we set up. It says verify your email verification code. Your email verification code is 8421. So this is a random code generated using the this particular action, generate a random number or text. So let me go to the Instagram and enter the code, which is 8421. So here the actual code is 8421. So let me enter something different to see if it actually verifies or not. So here I entered a wrong code, so it simply says sorry, wrong pin code. So let me try again and enter the correct code, which is 8421. Alright, so here let's see, and it says thanks, your email has been verified. A quick video on how you can easily verify the email. So likewise, you can actually use get user data and collect their phone number and build the same system for the phone verification as well. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks.